What's going on, guys? For today's video, I got a BB Simon unboxing. Dang, someone just drove their motorcycle or something right by. But like I was saying, we got a BB Simon unboxing for today's video, and I'm super hyped. I've been wanting a BB belt for a while. I did take a major L on the Supreme one, so I figured I would get myself one. So here we have it right here, the BB belt. Let's get right into that. And yeah, not the Supreme one, but I kind of wish it was. Hopefully my address isn't showing. This literally just came in the mail like seconds ago. Didn't even have time to Sharpie it out or put a sticker over it or any of that stuff. I didn't get like the full blown rhinestone looking one. I did, oh, I almost cut myself right there. But yeah, I didn't get the full rhinestone looking one. I did get a bit of a different one because I wanted more of like an everyday belt. But let me try to get this out real quick. It comes in this nice cookie jar looking container. It says BB Simon California on it, made in the USA. Then on the back it does say the Swarovski crystals with the American flag. But yeah, the container is looking sick. It's in this nice like tin aluminum. I don't even really know. I don't know my metals, obviously. But yeah, then you got the wrapping inside here, and I am so hyped to see what this thing looks like. So let's pull it on out. Oh, one of my crystals fell off, so that's awesome. Yeah, so here's one of my Swarovski crystals. That sucks. And then here we got it right here, the BB belt. I did get a size 34 because you are supposed to go up. My waist size is a size 32, so they recommend that you go up, but a 33 is not a thing, so I had to get a 34, and I'm really hoping that it fits. So, ooh, another crystal fell off. All right, that's upsetting, so I wonder which one. Oh, yeah, man. That is a total letdown. So we already got two crystals falling off of it, but I mean, it's all good. Oh, right on. That is so unfortunate. I don't even know if the camera's gonna show it. That's like the worst freaking one to fall off, and of course that one fell off, and the one on the buckle. So that sucks, but this is still sick. I did just get the regular old black one because, like I said, I want more of like an everyday belt. And even though this is like super flashy and crazy looking, it still could pass as like an everyday belt. So that's why I got it. Yeah, let me throw it on real quick for the one time and we can see how good it looks. But yeah, dang, cannot believe that. Spend like 200 bucks on a belt and it already is pretty much damaged. And I don't even know how to get that thing back in there. Man, that is a total bummer. You know, it always sucks. Like, this is how I feel about with Supreme too. It always sucks when you spend a ton of money on something and then it's like broken or like doesn't work, or like in this case damaged. It's pretty annoying. But yeah, especially when you're spending all that money. Yeah, let me just take this card off and then let me throw it on one time and we can see what it looks like. Actually, before I throw it on, let me give one more rundown of it. It's pretty much shining in the light. It looks sick. It's just the Western belt. Then on the back you got the BB Simon. You got more rhinestones here. Then this is just like some, what is that, like Italian leather, something like that. All down here with these embezzlements on the side. Then you got the BB Simon here as well. I still really do like the belt. Oh yeah, we got BB Simon on the inside as well with the 34. I still do really like the belt, but like I said, it's a total letdown that like the two parts right there that are going to be showing in the front are the parts that are broken. That's very annoying. But yeah, let me throw it on real quick so we can see what it looks like. So here we go. We got it on right here. I hope you can see it. That's gonna suck if you can't. But here, we got it right here. We got the BB belt. It's shining. It's still pretty crazy. Here's the missing crystal, and here's the other missing crystal. But it's still looking pretty nice. I probably wouldn't really wear it with these jeans. I don't know. I'm getting like a really bad vibe with these jeans on it. But I still think the belt's pretty fire. Sizing is pretty good. I still feel like I probably could have been a 32. This is still not like at its tightest it could possibly go. And I think I still got like two more holes in it. So I don't know. Maybe I could have went with a 32. But I'm not really sure. But yeah, here it is on. And like I said, I hope you can see this part of it, because if you can't, that's going to suck. Yeah, it's still pretty much shining. Flip and dip. We got this on the back, just a regular old black. Still pretty nice. So that is going to be the video for today. Just a quick BB Simon unboxing. Again, pretty big letdown when you spend that much money and it is broken, but I'm still pretty hyped on the purchase nonetheless. I'm sure that could potentially be an easy fix. Just got to figure out how to fix that. But if you did enjoy this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.